all banana split lovers. I'm going to show you a quick video on how to make banana splits healthy version. Okay, so you're going to take about a cup of plain Greek yogurt. Then you're going to take Sipology's banana split matcha stick, and you're going to put that in there. You're going to stir it up. I'm all done stirring. I'm going to top it with bananas, frozen bananas and strawberries that I have. And then I'm just going to add just a tiny sprinkle of milk chocolate chips to the top. And I'm going to set that aside when I'm at work, and it's going to be done. That is so good, you guys. Healthy banana split in a bowl for work. Cheers, everybody. Enjoy.
1 2 1 2, need my attitude. 3 4 3 4, check my latitude. Top floor, that's who in the zoo. Strut move like whoop down the avenue. Hey, I just want the finer things. I've been looking my whole life trying to find the things. I'ma take a whole pie, that's mine. Like if you want a slice, baby, you can try mine. Hey, give me, give me, give me, give me all that good. Shimmy, 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 do it like you should.
Ooh, I like that.
Hey, so I have some leftover peppermint mocha black tea from Sipology, and I'm going to show you something else you can do with it. I am going to fill this ice cube tray full of the leftover tea. Freeze for 2 to 3 hours. Add 2 cups of ice or 1 tray to your blender. Add 2 teaspoons of sweet chocolate matcha. And then add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of milk or milk substitute. And blend until slushy consistency. Pour into 2 glasses. Now enjoy your peppermint mocha matcha frappuccino. Cheers. Hey, I'm gonna teach you a super easy way to make a delicious white chocolate homemade whipping cream and boost your antioxidants. So what I do is I take 1 teaspoon of this sweet white chocolate matcha from Sipology. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of it to my regular whipping cream, and I'm going to just prepare that however you like. I usually use the Pampered Chef whipping cream maker, but you can use any type, like a beater or whatever you use to make your homemade whipping cream. A super delicious way to get those antioxidants in. I think I'm gonna add some to some hot chocolate right now.
dream, remembering how it felt to fall into how it used to be. You've been on my mind, together in another life. Feels like so much time from when we were saying, holding my breath. Don't lose the moment.
One, two, 1, 2, need my attitude. 3, 4, 3, 4, check my latitude. Top floor, that's who in the zoo. Strut move like whoop down the avenue. Hey, I just want the finer things. I've been looking my whole life trying to find them things. I'ma take a whole pie, that's mine. Like, if you want a slice, baby, you can try mine. Hey, gimme, gimme, gimme. Give me all that good. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Do it like you should.
Ooh, I like that.
For more recipes, follow me, and to get your hand on some of this premium coconut matcha from Sipology, go to my website below. Cheers! So good.